NBA's funniest and most unexpected gaming moments face basketball. You won't believe what happened. Ever played an NBA game and thought, "Yep, I've got this," only for the game to completely destroy your confidence 10 seconds later? Face basketball. NBA gaming is supposed to be about skill, strategy, incredible dunks, perfect passes, and clutch shots. But sometimes, it turns into the funniest comedy show ever. Imagine this: you're running toward the basket with a completely open lane. Nobody is around you. You're already celebrating the dunk in your head. And then boom, collision. Your player suddenly misses the dunk. You're sitting there thinking, "Bro, how?" Face with tears of joy. Then comes the classic teammate moment. You're wide open in the corner, waving your hands like your life depends on it, screaming, "Pass the ball." But your teammate decides to throw the ball directly into traffic. Loudly basketball. 3 defenders, 1 teammate, 0 brain cells. Turnover, face with tears of joy. And don't even get me started on those crazy last-second shots. You can be winning by 1 point with just a few seconds left. You're thinking, easy win, this game is over. Then your opponent launches a ridiculous shot from somewhere near the log. Swish, basketball fire. Game over. You're staring at the screen in complete silence like, "Okay, I need a minute," face with tears of joy. Sometimes the funniest moments happen when players collide. Animations go completely crazy, or someone attempts a move that looks absolutely nothing like basketball. 1 second you're playing professionally. The next second your player is spinning around like he's auditioning for a dance competition. Woman face. And the funniest part? You know you're going to blame the game. "It wasn't me. My controller is broken. That animation was crazy. The game is cheating," face. But honestly, that's what makes NBA gaming so much fun. The unexpected mistakes, ridiculous plays, impossible shots, hilarious animations, insane comebacks, and those moments that make you scream at the screen are exactly what turn an ordinary game into an unforgettable one. You might lose the match, but if something hilarious happens, at least you got a story to tell. Face basketball. So what's the funniest or craziest moment you've ever experienced in an NBA game? Drop it in the comments, backhand index pointing down. Because sometimes the best NBA moments aren't the ones you planned. They're the ones that make you say, "Wait, did that just happen?"